StoryNest.
A curious little robot named Bolt, with bright blue optical sensors and a chassis like polished chrome, wobbled on its magnetic treads across a plaza paved with glistening gumdrops. Towers of swirled lollipop and candy cane skyscrapers pierced the cotton candy clouds, their surfaces shimmering under the light of giant gummy bear suns. The air hummed with a sweet, sugary energy. Bolt tilted its head, its antenna twitching as it observed a river of flowing chocolate, crossed by bridges made of brittle toffee. Cars shaped like hard candies zipped along roads paved with licorice strips. The sounds were a symphony of gentle crunches, and the soft fizz of soda fountains built into the bases of buildings. Lost in the vibrant chaos, Bolt bumped into a giant marshmallow bench, nearly toppling over. A soft oof escaped its vocalizer. It righted itself, its blue eyes scanning its surroundings with a hint of confusion. It had ventured further than its internal compass indicated, and the towering suites looked increasingly unfamiliar. Suddenly, a gentle whirring sound approached. Hovering into view was a sleek white drone with glowing green lights. Its design was smooth and aerodynamic, a stark contrast to Bolt's boxy form. It had several small propellers that spun silently, keeping it aloft. The drone emitted a series of soft chimes. Bolt, though unable to understand the specific tones, sensed a friendly presence. It tilted its head again, its blue lights blinking inquisitively. The drone descended slowly, its green lights pulsing gently. It hovered just above Bolt's head, as if examining the little robot. Then it gracefully moved to hover in front of Bolt, its central green light forming a friendly, inquisitive shape. Bolt extended a small, articulated arm, its magnetic fingers twitching slightly as it reached towards the drone. The drone remained still, allowing the gentle contact. A soft whirring emanated from its core, almost like a purr.